In this video, you will learn how to generate AI image in Canva for free using the Canva text to image AI generator. To get started, you have to make sure you log into your Canva account. Then you can now come to this section and click on custom size. Then this time around, I'm going to set it to 1920, then by 1080. Feel free to set it to any custom size that you like, but I like it to be in this size. So now I will leave it at pixel, but you can set it to anyone you like. Either it should be in inches, millimeter or centimeter. I will leave it at pixel, then I will click on create new design. Once it's downloading, all you need to do is to click on elements, then you scroll down to the bottom. You are going to see this section, AI image generator. Then click on generate your own. Once it brings you to this interface, this is where you'll be able to type in your prompt. All you need to do is to give it a perfect prompt, whereby it will help you to generate the image just the way you like it. So this is the prompt that I wanted to use in this video. Generate the image of a man working in the office with his team member. After that, there are other settings you can do. So you can choose any of these, maybe anime, dreaming, filmic, photo or watercolor. Then after that, you come to aspect ratio. Then you are going to choose the dimension. Either you want it to be in square form, landscape or portrait. So take for instance now, I wanted it to be in landscape form. So that's why I've chosen this dimension already. This 1920 by 1080p. So after that, I'll come to this section now. I like it to be in a dreamy format. Then I'll click on generate image. As you can see now, it has helped us to generate some images. So, and if you think you didn't like the image that it has helped you to generate, you can click on generate again. And if you think you like it, you can choose anyone you like. Take for instance, I will click on this one now. And immediately I click on it, it's going to appear here. So you can see now. So in order to scale it, you just drag it and scale it like this. You can see. So now this is the image it has generated based on the prompt that I've given to it. So if you think you are not satisfied with the prompt, you can click on generate, or you can change it. Instead of this format, which is dreamy, you can change it to none. Then after you change it to none, click on generate again, and it's going to change the format it used previously. Now, as you can see, it has generated some other images again. So I can basically click on add page, so that I want to have it on a separate page. So now I have some other ones there. So I like this one. This is the one I like to choose. So click on it and it's going to appear on the timeline here. As you can see, this is the image that has helped you to generate. So all you need to do is to resize it and make it fit into the canvas. As you can see now, can you see? So this is an AI image generated using Canva. So feel free to choose any template you like and give it the prompt based on the type of image you want it to generate for you, and it is going to help you to do that. Once you are done, you click on share, then you'll be able to download it. Then click on download. As you can see now, we have 2 pages. So if you want to download the 2 pages, you can leave it at all. But if you want to download only one out of the 2, all you need to do is to uncheck this section. Then after that, you check page 2 that you wanted to download alone. Then you click on done. Then you now click on download, and your image is going to be downloaded successfully. As you can see, it's downloading currently. As you can see, this is the image that has been generated using AI in Canva. So if you really enjoyed this video, please support my channel by subscribing to my channel. Also, turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.